Hi, and welcome to the Cyberglue Member Connects editor demo. Okay, we'll jump into a staff dashboard and we'll look to edit something. We'll go straight into the sitemap of the website, and we can add any page by adding a subcategory, and we can even do so on the sitemap itself. The reason we might do that is that all of your primary navigation, like About Us, News, etc. on the main line here, is also just as editable as everything else on the system, and you can create whatever sort of pages you like within the system here, be they calendars or contact forms, etc. So it's a very simple, not dissimilar to Microsoft Word type editor. You can drag the corner down here and make it bigger. A little handy button to know about is this toggle full screen. So let's just click that and have a full screen view, similar to a Word type document. So it has relatively standard looking functionality around that. Probably the most used button in the system is paste as plain text, this little button right here. And the reason we use that is because we're creating a page to be used on a website or in HTML, and that doesn't like formatting from Word documents and a lot of other website formatting, etc. if you're copying directly off a website page, etc. So we'll just use the Control V button and copy in some content that I'd copied from a website earlier. And as you can see, it's just cleaned out anything in the way of formatting, etc. We can insert that, and then from here we can edit and put in all our standardized formatting for the web pages. Now we set this up for your needs based on your look and feel, once we know what that is. And it just stops you from having to do a whole bunch of formatting. The button right next to that one is Paste from Word, and that has a lot more work done behind the button to be able to bring in things like tables, etc. from your Word documents, and bring in the entire Word document and close to a Word document look, removing all of the Word document formatting that doesn't agree with the web and HTML, and it does a very good job of stripping all of that out, but still retaining the general look and feel of the Word document as such. And this little button here is a photo of an image of a tree, and insert edit image. So if we want to add images to our page or system, we just browse through the file library and pick out an image here. If you don't have an image in your knowledge base, file library, tagged images, etc. in here, you can just upload the file and have a look around your computer or network to grab the images that you're looking to upload them into your web directory of files and knowledge base. Okay, nice and simple. The buttons along the top here are typical insert date, insert time, etc. And this little button here is a very handy one. It brings in video from things like YouTube and the other video sites. You just put the embedded URL here, and you can set the standard dimensions for it to show. Now we typically recommend 250 high by 300 wide for the main pages of your website, and it puts a video on that page or within the page here or anywhere on your site, and it will, if you click on it, open it and play it within the YouTube browser or similar site browser, and that's a handy tip to know because it's using their bandwidth instead of yours. And if you're looking to do a little bit more in the way of advanced editing, etc., we'll show you through that as well. Little buttons like this one here, which enable you to do a whole range of functionality in the database. Things like when you're creating a web page and you'd like to make a personalized page for when a logged in person arrives on the page, it might say, "Hi John," etc. There's a whole range of other functionality we can show you on other 5-minute videos as you need it. Thanks very much for your time. Hope that gets you underway well.